Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. I want to introduce myself to you. My name is Winarti. I am from Kendal, Java, Central of Indonesia. My age 45 years old. My status is married. I have one daughter, 26 years old. I have one brother. My religion is Muslim. My height 152 cm. My weight 20 kg. My last education junior high school. I have experience to work in before in Dubai 10-year finish contract, and I have experience of work in Singapore 3-year finish contract. My job is cleaning in the house, cooking, washing, and take care the baby and take care grandma. I can simple cook, steam fish, steam eggs, steam chicken, fried rice, fried noodle, soup. I am afraid dog big and small. I can take care the baby. I can take care elderly. I can take care the children. I want to go to Hong Kong because I need more money for my family and my future. I am promised to be good housemate and finish contract 2 year. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. See you in Hong Kong. Bye bye.